Welcome to Akses RCBD, India's #1 RCC building design software. In this video, we are going to learn how to release the end moments of beam elements. As we have seen earlier, when the end moments are released, the beam element will behave as a pin-connected or hinged beam. Let us see how we can use moment release feature of Akses RCBD software. Click on Login. Click on Open Project button. Select project name. Click Open to continue. Let us edit moment releases or restraints of a secondary beam. Click on Edit Member button. Select Member. Member properties are visible in this newly opened window at the lower right corner. We can edit member label, concrete grade, width, depth, and rotation alpha of the member. Similarly, we can edit 3 moment releases at the origin joint and 3 moment releases at the terminal joint. We have learned earlier that if the loads are in Y direction, then the end rotations are about Z axis, and therefore, we should release Z moments. Note that O corresponds to origin joint and T corresponds to terminal joint. Let us release moments at the origin and the terminal joints. We can do it by removing corresponding tick marks. Click OK to continue. Color of the member changes from yellow to blue as per the moment releases. Let us repeat this for another beam, which has 2 members. In this case, we should release moment only at the origin joint. Color of the member on moment released side has turned blue. Let us repeat this for the second member of the beam. In this case, we should release moment only at the terminal joint. Color of the member on moment released side has turned blue. In this way, we should also release torsional moment at the origin joint. We can release torsional moment at the origin joint by removing tick mark at XO. We should release the torsional moment of the other beam also. We can do it by selecting the first member and removing tick mark at XO. Akses RCBD has a shortcut for this. First, click on Edit Member and right-click at the member end you want to release. Repeat this for required members. Let us verify the moment releases we have just applied. Everything is perfect. Akses RCBD. Download a free demo at www.akses.in. Thanks for watching this video. Please call 9049004901 if you need any assistance.